Hello, and welcome to another Scalable software tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Unreal Export. This process can only be done using Scalable version 9.0 or greater, and after these prerequisites have been completed. To ensure you have good working calibration, we will start by opening the Data Collection panel and opening the Screens panel. Set your screen type and dimensions that are required for the program. After that, go to the Image Boundary panel and make sure your settings are correct, and then hit the Update Calibration button. From there, click on the Perspective button below that to start setting up your eye point location. There are two options located below, Graphics Card and Projector. Pick between the two options based on what is optimal for your setup. Once you have selected your option, hit the Add Eye Point button, followed by the Update Calibration button. After that, click on the Export Options button, shown in the Playback category. From there, click on the Unreal Option button under the Warp Application settings. Next, select either the Easy Blend SDK button or the MP-CDI button as your desired output. Here are the differences between the two options. For our first example, we will choose the Easy Blend SDK option. This file can be found in the following location. For our second example, we are going to choose the MP-CDI option. This file can be found in the following location. If you have any issues, please contact the support team. That's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.